There's our fearless leader, John and Patty Warren, leading us on Day 2 of the Pacific Northwest leg of the 2024 Corvette Caravan. Day 2 started with twisties on the I-90 freeway. Yes, I know, not very exciting, but we still have 2,100 miles spread out over the next 6 days to get to the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We have to put the miles on at some point each day, so today we're driving over 300 miles and one time zone to Butte, Montana. Our lunch stop is in Missoula, Montana, where the local Chevy dealership is supplying the venue and the Hellgate Corvette Club is providing lunch.
My name is John Warren. I'm the captain of the Pacific Northwest Corvette Caravan.
Now that means something, huh?
Yeah, well, it's a lot of work getting several hundred Corvettes together and just under 500 people. We've been working on this, me and not just me, but a whole team. I've got a co-captain in Oregon, and I've got teams in every state, in Oregon, Washington, Idaho, and Montana. So it's a team effort. We've been working on this for 3 years.
Get some shots. There's a lot of activity behind you there, John. Lots of coming through finally.
Yeah, our caravan left early this morning and there's still people coming in.
I'm in Missoula, Montana. We stopped here from lunch, and Missoula dealership here is sponsoring the lunch as well as the Hell's Gate Club, local Corvette club out here. And throughout the day, there's still Corvettes arriving. There's no set schedule, but there'll be about 230 vets that are assembled here. And then we move on tonight or this afternoon and go to Butte. We got the Canadian division coming, and then by the time this is all done in Cheyenne, there'll be about 350 cars. Butte is close to Yellowstone National Park, but not close enough for a side trip today, so my choice of afternoon entertainment was at the Old Montana Prison and Car Museum. I know, strange combination, right? From out front, the Car Museum side doesn't look like much, but when I got in, I found it was a fair amount larger than what I had expected. Actually, the word fair soon got left behind in favor of the word expansive. I couldn't believe how many rooms full of cars there are here, and the selection and styles was incredible. They had cars from the 1800s to a brand new C8R Corvette. This is worth visiting. And the prison side? Well, it's a prison, and in the style that we were all accustomed to from TV. That's because there were at least 4 movies filmed here. Definitely felt a little eerie going through it. Lots of information signs too, so I could figure out what I was looking at. It was built in the late 1800s and housed prisoners for over 100 years. For day 3 tomorrow, we're driving the Beartooth Highway in Wyoming. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's free and it helps me out.